Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add location in Snapchat. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Snapchat account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to add location in Snapchat. Make sure to turn on the location on your device and also in the Snapchat. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Snapchat app. Here we go. Firstly, you have to take the snap, tap on the circle on the bottom middle. After you have taken the snap, you can see different options. In the right hand side, you have to tap on that third option. Now here you can see the option of location, tap on that. Now here in the search bar, you can search for the location that you want to add in your Snapchat. Now tap on the location. You can see that location has been added to your snap. In this way, you can easily add location in your Snapchat. I hope now you guys are clear about how to add location in Snapchat. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.